My name is James May. Went through some addiction challenges with alcohol was my major crutch, I guess you could say. And I got clean for 6 years with the help of Andrew Louisi and with Time to Heal. Basically, when I met Andrew, it was in the year 2000. It was 19 years ago. And I was looking for something. I was with a friend, Jennifer Aldrich, and we were looking for a path to help us understand where we came from and how we can better, improve who we were. And trying to find out just, more about life in general, why we are here. I've seen a lot of miracles. I've seen a lot of things that I can't explain. And with Andrew, he's really been tenacious as far as the way that he's focused on seeing my core abilities as well as my core challenges, and help me become humble to be able to see myself clearly and to guide me to actually bring that to my everyday life. When I first met him, I was a man full of a lot of ego, completely seeing who I was, and he was dedicated in knowing who he was as far as making the right choices to help to guide me. We've grown into creating a family, getting my two boys with the woman that, of course, was the mother. They ended up leaving for 5 years. That was one of the hardest points of my life. He helped me see that I was worthy enough to be able to exist through these challenges and gave me coping skills to be able to work with that. He's always been there for me unconditionally. The actual recovery rate of the people that are coming in nowadays has grown exponentially. And it's because Andrew's helped with Time to Heal to create a network of community. And with this community, it provides a lot of mirrors for people to see the truth of who they are and a lot of support. I have a family now that is more positively driven and more supportive than my own real family. And it's helped me, get to a place where I can accept the fact that I was abandoned many times by my mother and by my father, currently by my father and with my kids. He doesn't want to see his grandkids. And I can accept that and still send him love. 20 years ago, there'd be no way that I'd be able to do that. So if you feel that there's something inside you that you desire to change or look at, and you've tried other things or you haven't tried anything at all, but you're just curious, come in, try the workshops. The life readings is something that he does that helps to give a roadmap to people so that they can understand where they came from and why they are the way they are. And they work 100% of the time when you apply them. In your heart, in your being, whatsoever, that you want to find a better life or a better way of seeing things through life, please contact Time to Heal.